Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I am here with yet another new equipment that I'm going to unbox today. This is an ongoing series for creating an ultimate astrophotography image processing rig or computer that I am building. I hope you guys have been following my videos for this series. If you have not been following, I will put the links of the equipments that I'm unboxing that I'm going to use for building up this amazing astrophotography image processing rig in the video above or in the description below for you guys to check it out. So today guys, I have yet another thing. This is a Mirage 5 CPU ARGB air cooler. I have already done the unboxing of Intel i5 CPU that comes along with the CPU cooler, but I wanted to make my astrophotography rig a bit more cooler. So which is why I have here a Mirage 5 CPU ARGB cooler that will keep your processor cool. Before we move further, ensure that you watch this video till the end so that you do not miss out on any important information or specifications or instructions that I have to share. So guys, if you are new to my channel and not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification icon so that you get the notifications for all my new videos. Let's get started. So guys, today I have Mirage 5 CPU ARGB cooler with me. I am going to do an unboxing for this. So let's start with the unboxing. Let's start with the specifications or information that you have on the box. So let's see. On the top you see it's Mirage 5 made by Aero Cooler. This is the manufacturer. This is CPU ARGB cooler with PWM support so that you can support the speed of the fan and you can increase or decrease the speed depending upon what you are doing. It also has RGB light, so it looks cooler. It is addressable ARGB light so that you can control the color of the lights and everything with the software that comes along with the motherboard for controlling the RGB lights. This is infinity mirror RGB design, delivers mesmerizing look and feel to your PC build. What that means basically is when you see it from the top, it will look like an infinity mirror going in depth with all the lights. So basically there are not so many lights, but because of this Mirage thing that they have created, it will look like it has an infinite depth from the top. So it will look a lot more cooler guys. So let us see what else is there. So guys, on this side it also has Mirage 5 branding with RGB addressable branding as well. This is CPU ARGB cooler with PWM, stylish RGB LED lighting, and also compatible with addressable RGB motherboard. So if you have a compatible motherboard, you can control the RGB lighting with the software that comes along with your motherboard. But guys, if you do not have such motherboard that has RGB lighting control, you can also use this CPU cooler for it, because it also comes with an inbuilt RGB lighting presets, so it will still look cooler for you guys as well. So let us see on the other side what it has to offer. On the back side guys, it has some of the specifications along with the branding. So it is model Mirage 5 with the base material made out of aluminum block. Fin material is made out of aluminum. Heat pipe is having a diameter of 6 mm with a dimension of 100 mm diameter. So it has a total thermal dissipation power of 150 watts. So guys, if you do not want to overclock your CPUs with this kind of thermal cooling system, if you have, but it works perfectly when you do not overclock your CPUs. So as long as your thermal dissipation is less than 150 watts, and this should work perfectly fine. So ensure that whenever you purchase this, ensure that you have the specifications properly read from the CPU manual. So the socket that it is compatible with is Intel LG 2600, 2011, 1200, 115X and 775. Also it is compatible with AMD processors with the socket type of FM1, FM2, AM2, AM2 plus, AM3, AM3 plus and AM4. So it is compatible with all the latest generations of processor from Intel and AMD both. Let us come to the fan speeds and everything. So the speed of the fan is from 1500 to 300 RPM. The connector of the fan is 4-pin PWM connector, and also it has an ARGB 3-pin 5-volt connector. It is bearing type hydraulic bearing, and started voltage is 5 volt and rated voltage is 12 volt. Rated current is around 0.8 ampere with power consumption of around 9.6 watts. So this is an additional power consumption in addition to the CPU that you have. So air pressure that it provides, or how fast it is, how strong the air pressure is 0.9 to 2.13 millimeters of H2O. Airflow is around 39.7 to 74.3 CFM. Noise level is 18 to 30 dBA, and the mean time before the failure is 60,000 hours. So basically what it means is the lifetime or life of uses of this Mirage 5 CPU cooler, which is 60,000 hours. So on the sides it says it has a heat core touch technology with 5 ultra efficient thermal heat pipes. So basically when you buy an average CPU cooler, normally with this kind of design normally has 3 to 4 pipes, but this comes with the 5 pipes, copper pipes, to take away the heat. So it is more efficient than your normal any average CPU cooler, which is why it also has 5 in the name here as Mirage 5. At the bottom you can see it is upgrade high efficient fins for optimized thermal performance. So you have larger surface area here. It is tower based CPU cooler, so you have higher height, so it has a lot of surface area to dissipate the heat. So I think that is it, guys. That is what you have on the box. Apart from on the top it says save money, cool better. So that is what their tagline is. So I think there is nothing more on the box. Let's open the box and see what it has inside. So let's open the box. So first thing that you would see here is the user manual or instructions that it comes with. I will be doing another video, guys, for you guys to show you how to install this Mirage 5 on your CPU. I have an Intel CPU. I'll be showing you how to use it for an Intel CPU. You can follow the same instruction for AMD CPU if you have. So I will keep this user manual side for now. Ensure that you stay tuned to my channel so that you do not miss out on any future videos that I have. Alright, so next thing that it has is on the side comes with the box. So we'll see what is there in the box later. We'll keep this aside for now. So this is the CPU cooler itself. This is a huge cooler, as you can see. That comes with the foam padding as well, so as to keep this safe. So this is very nice packing that you have. There is nothing more in the box for now, so I will keep the box aside. So this is the CPU cooler that it comes with. So basically you have this box and CPU cooler and a user manual along with it. So let us see one by one what it has to offer. Now let us see first in the box what is there inside. So let us open the contents and see. It has a lot of equipment inside. We'll see one by one. There is nothing more in the box. We'll keep that box aside. So let us see one by one what it has to offer. So these are few brackets that it comes with. As you know, it has a wide compatibility with lot of type of CPUs that it has. So Intel CPU, AMD CPU. So basically it has marking, so it is compatible with the Intel CPU. This is the bracket, mounting bracket that you have. This is for AMD bracket. This is for 211 and old bracket that you have. These are some plastic fittings that it comes with, so that you can, after fitting the bracket, you can mount this CPU cooler on top of your CPU. So this is what it comes with. So this is the power cord or your ARGB light control cord that it comes with. So you can plug in and control the ARGB lighting along with your CPU cooler power adapter. So now let us see at the CPU itself how does it looks like. So as you can see, guys, this looks very cool. This is huge. You can see by my hand, the length of my hand, it's really huge. On the top it has a plastic cover to save the top from scratches. So let us remove and see how does it look. So it has a plastic covering so as to prevent it from scratches. So as you can see, guys, this has a infinity mirror look. Even without the lighting, you can see it gives a lot of depth. So whenever the light is turned on, you will see a light going very deep inside. You will not see even the cooler, but in reality it's a Mirage. That is why it is called as Mirage cooler, because It's not reality, it is just the mirror reflections that you see that provides that effect of infinity view, which is placed on the top. But at the bottom you see you have a CPU cooler, so it is also insulated with the tape. Whenever you are going to put it on the CPU, it is recommended then you want to peel it off. So as you can see, it has 5 pipes, that 5 copper pipes that is there, which provides cooling. The heat is generated by your CPU and it is transmitted to this plate, and then these pipes take it up all the way to the tower. So as you can see, inside there is a fan inside. So what will happen is, with this cooling fan, it will blow off the air, and the heated surface is perforated and it has larger surface area. So basically your heat will be dissipated. As you know, TDP for this CPU cooler is 150 watts. So in my experience, this will be okay for any normal CPU uses or even heavy uses. But then if you want to overclock your CPU, it will generate a lot of heat and this is not going to cool it enough. So I would not recommend it if you have a uses for overclocking your CPU. But then when you want to use it normally, it's fine. I think it's gonna work perfect and normal than the average cooler. Since it has a mirage look at the top, it will look a lot more cooler. So as you can see, it comes along with the plug for ARGB lighting, and also it has a power cord that comes along with it that goes into your CPU power socket of your motherboard. Also, I wanted to mention, with this plastic brackets, it also gives you the thermal paste that you want to apply before applying this on top of your CPU. So it has everything basically that you need to mount this to your CPU. So this is it, guys. So this is what comes inside the box, and this concludes the unboxing of this AeroCool Mirage 5 CPU cooler. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, do not forget to hit that like button. If you have any questions or comment, please leave them in the comment section below. I will try and answer as soon as possible. If you are new to my channel and not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification icon so that you get the notifications for all my new videos. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching, and clear skies.